Hey everybody. So in this recording I want to show you it's a video discussion tool called Voicethread. And using Voicethread, a instructional designer or a teacher can post up a slide or content, and they can use it as a lecturing platform or a discussion tool in which they can record themselves, their voice or their video, and they can kind of give a lecture to the content that they're putting up on their screen. I'm going to show you Voicethread. I'm going to log in. I actually do have an account. So you go to voicethread.com. You can sign up. You can register here. You click, and really all it requires for a free account is a valid email address and a password. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put in my password, and it will bring up my account. And I can show you what I've done as far as Voicethread. I can show you one of the slides I've created. So what Voicethread does is you can put media up here.
Hello, associates. In this module, we learned about the students before you.
And on the side here, you have tiles that you create that you can put any kind of content you want. You can put video, you can put audio, and you can use this background for any media that you want. So you can actually create a lesson plan around what it is you're trying to show, and you can create and post content which your students can then use this little feature here, and they can use the microphone, they can use the camera, they can upload a file to reply to you. If you pose a discussion question, and each person has the ability to then reply to each direct comment. So it's a very good way of creating a discussion forum on the media that you've put up on the screen. Voicethread. Voicethread.com. Sign up for a free account. It's a very powerful tool.